welcome to Activity Week. This week we're going to do something slightly different because the invitation is to make a star. But the idea is that the star that you make this week, to keep it somewhere safe, and then next week bring your star out, hold it and listen to a story that I'd love to share with you. And the story, it's about how one star started in a box like this. You gave that star to one person and magically it created lots of other stars, and all those stars came back to you. Now, to give you some idea how to make a star, I'd like to introduce you to Zenia. Now, Zen is our relationships manager and she's just going to give you some ideas and tips how you might want to make your star. Over to you, Zen.
Thanks so much, Kaz, and a very big special hello to you there watching this video. So, we're going to be making your star, but it's not just any star, it's a very, very special star because you made it. And to make your star, I've got some examples here that I'm going to show you. So to make your star, you can more or less use any sort of material, but I have got some examples to show you. You can simply use a sheet of paper, a newspaper, maybe you've got a bit of spare cardboard lying around, or maybe you have something sparkly like this. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a star with a sheet of paper. So here's my sheet of paper, and you will be needing a pencil and a pair of scissors. So lay your paper flat and start by drawing one triangle. Just like that. And then you draw another triangle, but this time the triangle is going to be upside down on top of the triangle that you just drew. So it should look something like this. Next, what you want to do is get your pair of scissors. Now mine are very sharp, and make sure if you are using a pair of scissors that you do have parental assistance, and simply cut around the guidelines. And there you have your star. Now, of course, you can colour it in. You might even want to pop your name on there. In fact, I think I'm going to do that. I'll show you one more example, this time using newspaper. So lay down your newspaper flat, grab your pencil, pen, whatever it is that you're using. You draw one triangle like so. You draw another triangle, this time upside down, on top of that triangle, and then you begin to cut. And there you have it. There's your star. You can still see the guidelines that I used. And this time I actually cut more than one star at once. So if you fold your paper in half and draw your guidelines to cut around it, that's just a little bonus tip for you. You'll get more than one star. In fact, here I've got 4 stars. And that's it. So now you've got your star, and it is a very, very special star. And you're ready to journey with us through this amazing story. So stay tuned. Back to you, Kaz.
Thanks, Zen. So now that you've got some idea how to make your star, the invitation is to, come on. Children, young people, parents, carers, teachers, key workers, make your star. Keep it somewhere safe. And then next week, listen to a story about how that one star started in a box like this, magically created lots of other stars, and they all came back to you. Till next time, take great care of yourselves.